Hey everyone, welcome to my channel CodeCompileRun. Our very first video is here. Whether you are a pro coder or just starting out, you're in the right place. We'll be covering key concepts in JavaScript, Angular, Vue.js, React.js, Next.js, Ionic, React Native, Node.js and many more. So grab your favorite cold drink and let's jump into the coding world together. We'll also talk about the important stuff like payment gateways such as Stripe, Razorpay, PayPal. Make sure to hit subscribe so you wouldn't miss our upcoming coding adventures. Let's code together and explore the coding world at CodeCompileRun. Happy coding. Thank you.